Welcome to the video tutorial for the Contact Center Training and Quality Service Request Form. The purpose of this form is to capture preliminary information to help facilitate the training needs analysis process. Upon selecting the service request form from the training website, you will be presented with this page. Your first step will be to provide your training topic or reason for your request. Next, you will provide your name, followed by the name of your direct manager or supervisor. Next, you are asked to provide the business need. Here is where we would like you to give specific information regarding what business deficiency this training request will address. Please be as specific as possible. Next, select the line of business that this training will impact, followed by the requested delivery date and the number of associates who will attend this training event. Followed by that, we're going to ask that you select what line of business the associate currently supports. Next, you are asked to provide the identified gaps in performance that trigger this request. This is different from the before mentioned business need, as this section will speak directly to the observed behaviors of your staff. You are also asked to provide any previous interventions or methods that have been used to address this concern prior to your request for training. This will allow us to consider all approaches as we formulate our plan. In cases where your request stems from new requirements, you are asked to provide that information here. If there are no new requirements, please indicate by notating non-applicable. Lastly, we want to ensure that we are on the same page regarding success. In this section, you are asked to tell us what the end state looks like from your perspective. And finally, there is a space for you to place any additional information that may be helpful but was not captured in a pre-designated section of the form. Once you have completed all required forms, please select Save to submit your form. Thank you for watching, and please feel free to reach out to our team via the website with any questions.